Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, we will be working with the lovely Curlyme hair, and they went ahead and sent me this gorgeous water wave wig. It is a 30-inch water wave 13x6 13x4 lace frontal unit, and I am living for these curls. The pattern is everything and the hair is really nice and full, so you are definitely getting a bang for your buck. This unit is super duper affordable, and in today's video I just showed you guys how I did my glued install, as well as how I did my edges, how I defined the hair, as well as detangle and diffuse. And this is what we are looking like. This is what we're working with. So if you'd like to see that, just keep on watching, and the links for this hair will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. And without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, find love. We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. For something that lives inside me. Break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. And everybody, telling everybody, you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul, no, no. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul, and I'm telling everybody, everybody, taking me salvation, and I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Got motivation. I done found me a new foundation, yeah. I'm taking my new salvation, and I'ma build my own foundation, yeah.
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like the body died me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man.
Alrighty babes, so I'm finally finished and this is the final look. This hair is super duper thick, full and lightweight. This wig is from Curlyme Hair and they decided to send me this gorgeous 13x4 HD lace frontal water wave unit, and it is literally to die for. The pattern is everything. I'm living for this new water wave. I love it. So easy to detangle this hair was, and it is super soft, so that is something I love. So thank you so much to Curlyme for sending me this gorgeous wig. It is very much giving summertime. It is also in 30 inches, so I'm sure when I throw it to the back it is definitely about grazing my butt, and I'm loving that for me. So definitely go ahead and check the links in my description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig. And